Today I worked on this project. So instead of having the student management in the dashboard like this one, because this is like more on reporting purposes. So what I did is, instead of having it here in the dashboard, I asked the lead developer and the other designer to combine those here in the student history, and instead of student history, I decided to have this with this just this name, because it can also be student management, but it's too long. So maybe this will work too as student. And in here we have this two tabs. So the student history, where we have the new returning on hold with conflict, the standard transfer, and then the exceeded, where it can also be viewed individually. So like if I click this, the new students will be, this list will be updated to new students. And if I unclick this or click again, it will be cleared and it will show all the statuses here. So, and we also have this student management tab, which is this one. So this indicates that the student management is active. So we have this data here for the new enrollees, students on hold, unpaid, and then the recent increase. We also have this is the version 1, by the way. So we have this uh, items here for the as the tabs, and it will show based on the selected tabs. So the data here, the contents of these were came from this one. So like the holding status report is this one, or maybe I can rename this, or just holding status instead of holding status report. And the key fields were taken from here. So the name home teacher, so a homeroom teacher, and yeah, of course it this list will be changed, depends on the tabs. So the tabs of each of here were provided also here. So the delinquency report, uh, instead of delinquency, I uh, change it to just non-payment status. So the new students here, new enrollment, and so on. So the activity log also. And this is the version 2. Instead of having the tabs, I listed them all here. And so for reporting purposes, we can also export this based on the filter. And we can always also change other details here, depends on what we will be meeting, like discuss in the meeting, depends on the lead developer and the project manager. So this is the version 2, where all of these tabs were listed here. So the holding, delinquency, the new enrollment, withdrawal report, and lead inquiry. So I'm also thinking like if this export should be here, or uh, just here, where it can be this list if the users for admin just wanted to export this specifically. yeah, maybe we can. I will discuss this with the lead developer too. And we have this pagination, and it can also be expanded. Like if the super admin wanted more list, um, maybe a model. So, but I have already tagged the lead developer and the other designer here to review this. And yeah, I think that's all. Thank you.